myself. It's your Inspirational Craft channel. I wanted to stop on today real quick just to show you guys some things that I picked up over the last couple days from Target, Dollar Tree, and Walmart. They're spring and Easter themed to throw into Easter baskets. Gifts for Josh, a little girl named Chloe at my church, who I love to give her craft items to keep her motivated and inspired and just in a creative frame of mind. So without further ado, from Walmart, I grabbed Josh these Reese's. Let's see. I also found these goodie bags that I'll be stuffing for our Sunday school and visitors. Probably I'll do around 50 or 60. And then I also found at Walmart this adorable coloring bag. Now I picked this up for Chloe. And there's markers that were attached to it, and it was very inexpensive, but she can color on it using these markers. And then I'll add that hair bow, some Easter stickers that I showed in a different Easter pencils that I showed in a different haul, along with some Easter erasers, and give that to her on Sunday. And then let's see. I also found at Walmart these. They're called Knoppers, but they're milk hazelnut wafers. Come 3 to a pack. I grabbed these for my husband because I intend on making him a little Easter gift. And I found this container with the top at our local grocery store. So I'll put that in there, along with these Nutter Butters, some chips, and a few more items that I'll grab later on today, and that will be his Easter gift. And of course, I will use this container later in the pantry or in the kitchen for storage. And then I also picked up these eggs that I'll fill with a couple of erasers and stickers for Josh. And I got those at Walmart as well. And then lastly from Walmart, well, no, I actually got this. He is still into Paw Patrol, so I grabbed this bucket. It's a pretty good size. It's about 12 inches tall. And that's what his Easter basket will be. The base of it will be. And I got this for myself. I will be teaching Sunday school, so I will not be able to dress in the full skirt, heels, donned with makeup, and so on and so forth. But I figured, why not add a little bling to the look and put on some jeans and a pretty lacy top. Spring colored. I picked up a pink one. It's really pretty. So I'll be wearing that, and I have still got to find something for my husband to wear, but with all that being said, that's that. And then I had stopped at Target to hopefully looking for something for Josh, but I didn't find anything. But I did find these note cards, fruit themed, and they'll be great for the summertime. I can obviously just add some embellishments, ephemera, die cuts, wording, stamped images or sentiments, and send them out in a hurry if the need presents itself. And then this here set, this here pack had 8 of them in it. It was in the dollar spot, and it had envelopes with them too. Those note cards. And then this set envelope comes in like a little folder set, which I thought was really cute. Note cards and envelopes, and this was in the dollar spot as well. And then you have it says Just Lovely, and then the other one is this. It's spring and summer colors. So these would be great to add some embellishments to as well, and then send those out. If you don't have time to fully make the handmade card, you can always use those for your bases and add and layer upon top of them. And so from the Dollar Tree, I picked up for Joshua, he's still a Hot Wheel enthusiast, these Lightning McQueen stickers. They're puffy stickers, and they'll go in his amazing sticker book. That's literally what it's called. It's just a composition notebook with pages that he's added a bunch of stickers to. Anyways, And then I picked up this Hot Wheels coloring or activity book, and it's got lots of pages loaded with activities and crosswords and coloring. And he might not do too much of the coloring because he's not a fan of the crayons, but he can do the activities. We'll do them together. Then I also got this watercolor set because he seems to have loved using mine, and although mine is just as cheap as his, I figured why not get him his own, and so they have that. And then because he's a new eyeglass wearer, I figured he needs to learn to be responsible for his own glasses, so I picked up this eyeglass repair kit. Now, and this is from the Dollar Tree. It comes with the tools to repair the screws or put the screws back in, magnifying glass, and then the cleaning cloth, which was the selling point for me because he needs a cleaning cloth. I can't have him using his t-shirt, it probably has dirt on it, to clean his glasses with. So that's just teaching him to be responsible. And then, actually, I think I got these from Walmart, these butterfly cakes, because he loves these cream-filled cakes with the sprinkles on them. You know, he's a kid, so he still loves sprinkles. And so that'll go in his Easter basket as well. And then they have at Dollar Tree, I know I'm flip-flopping all over the place, but they also had this baseball. It's a little heavy, so it's good for practice. Yeah. And then I think I bypassed this book bag that I picked up from Target. And this was the other item that I purchased from Target, this book bag. In my car, in my back seat, next to his car seat, is all of his toys. And, well, not all of his toys, but it's Hot Wheels and sight cards, sight word cards and flash cards and little books and things like that to occupy him when we're on the road or traveling from one town to the next. So I picked up this book bag. It's on clearance for $5.36, 38 cents from Target. And that's going to go in our back seat. And it'll be easier for me to put in the trunk at times when we have another rider with us. So, and it has like a little, it looks like a little racing stripe there. So he was happy with it, and I'll probably add some patches to it. I've got Hot Wheel patches and some crosses and stuff that he'll like. So I'll add that to that, pop it in the back seat, and hopefully create a cleaner area for my car. So, that being said, I hope you guys get out and grab the things that you need for Easter to make those kids Easter baskets with. Drop me a comment below. Let me know how your shopping went. And I hope you guys have a happy Easter until we see each other again here on YouTube. Stay encouraged, stay blessed, and stay creative in crafting. Bye for now.